So here's a video on how to make those links. It's a super simple concept. I just thought if I make a video, then you can refer back to it because it's a couple little steps, but it's not hard. So I'm on the lesson plan for this week, and let's say I want to go to, I'm on 6th period, and I want to add the fragment practice. So I'm going to go to this. Okay, and here's my sentence fragment practice sheet, and I want to link it onto the lesson plan. So I'm going to go to share. I'm going to copy the link, hit done. I'll go back to the lesson plan, and I'm going to double click in the box, and let's say I want to make this word linked. I'm going to highlight it, then I'm going to come up here. This signal, the symbol, it's insert link. If you're in Google Documents, if you're in Google Sheets, if you're in Google Slides, this is always going to mean the same thing. It looks like a little paper clip in my head. So if I click on it, this is what the text, this is what it's going to look like. And I'm going to paste my link there. I hit Control V, and then I apply it. And now it's linked. These buttons here, if I want to copy the link, which is kind of like what I did when you put yours in, I just clicked on them and copied the link. This allows you to edit. It brings that same box up. And then like if I don't want the link to be there, I just hit this remove link and it's back to the way it was. So I hope that helps.